Okay, we're back in the person's parent grid. So we go into the first record, and there we can see shares and banks, and we go into a bank, and there we can see the grandchild called accounts, and it has all the credibility as before. No problem. And we have the bank details up here. We can edit that bank. We could put in Oz or something like that, and it comes back and it's got Oz. See the change there. And we can edit the actual person as well. We can change the date, the 10th of April, and there's the 10th of April being changed. So it goes, and you can do it the other way, the tab way, and you show the bank's shares. No problem, it's all built. What we can do now, if you're ready to go live, we can get rid of these tabs because we only want shares and banks to be there. So I'll just show you how you do that in the Visual Studio soon. Okay, I'm in Visual Studio. I just want to get rid of those tabs we don't require if we're going to go live with the system. We only need shares and banks tabs to be showing. Now, the table or the program to change is person show, and all we have to do is take out these buttons here and another button up here, this one here. So they're deleted and save, and all we have to do now is press Control F5 to bring up instantly in the browser the changes. Here with F5 is running with no debug, and we're just going to detail, and there we can see the shares and banks without the other buttons to create new trials or delete trials. Okay. I'll just show you deleting a child and also deleting the table at the same time. Like we have shares and banks, and with the delete button we can delete all the code for shares, but we can also delete the shares table as well as an option. So we want to delete the left tab. So we have the option delete code only or delete code and table at the same time. In this case we'll delete the code and the table at the same time and show you the result. It does it instantly. It's all been changed on Visual Studio and in SQL Server. I'll just show you that now. Okay, now we're in SQL Server again, and we've got the tables. You can see the shares. So if I do a refresh, it should disappear. And sure enough, there's no shares table. It's all gone. And we'll just prove that the actual code is gone and there's only banks left. So that's all good. So we go back. So that's what the system can do. It's quite versatile, and you can keep adding and creating new parents and child and grandchilds at will, and easy to change and maintain in Visual Studio. And it's all built with SQL Server. And what I do use is ADO.NET, which is what I use for the database manipulations. I haven't used Entity Framework, but it can easily be changed to Entity Framework. It also has log on and register ability as well.